Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Now this one is going to be a very simple gothic makeup tutorial. I have done a couple of these before and they just seem to be the tutorials that people really enjoy, and so I thought I'd do another one of those for you. I also thought I'd throw in like an easy put together gothic outfit as well, because sometimes goth makeup and goth clothing can seem like it's a really complicated thing to put together, and I just want to really show in this video how simple it is, even in this time of year where it's getting warmer. I hope you find this video useful and let me know what you would like to see next, and let's get on with the makeup firstly. Now I'm already wearing the Gosh foundation drops in the shade 2. This is really nice if you like more of a dewy kind of finish, like nothing too matte. I'm just going to now be using the Gosh eyeshadow primer. Now this I got just because it was in the 3 for 2 with the foundation, so I thought I would give this a go. It's weird, it's kind of like a crayon primer instead, but I find that it works nicely for me actually. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight in with the eyeshadow colours. Now I have the Kat Von D Fetish palette here. I got this for Christmas, and I know some of you may not like Kat Von D, not like her makeup anymore, and not want to buy her makeup anymore, etc, etc, and honestly I'm kind of with you on that, but I still love the products, and her brand is the only brand that does palettes that I actually really like and lipsticks that I actually really like, so especially the lipsticks. I do adore her lipsticks, so it's just a shame. It's just a shame about her, isn't it, really? But anyway, I'm going to be using a purple shimmery kind of lipstick. Sounds weird, but it is, again, by Kat Von D, and it's one of my favourite lipsticks ever. I love this lipstick, and so I'm going to probably be going with some like purple shimmery kind of colours today. I'm going to go in with Deviant, which is this light shimmery purple. This is a Fetish palette here. It's a bit messy as you can see, but I found this palette got messy really easily. But this is the shadow I'm just going to go in with first. It's like a purple shimmery shadow. I kind of want to use colours that I think are going to be in everyone's makeup kit. And so I'm just blending that out kind of just above the crease, just like so. And I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury Eye Blender brush. This is a really versatile brush for using eyeshadow on the lid and also onto the crease as well. I'm going to darken up with Whip. Now Whip is like, it looks like a black, but it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So it's not entirely like a matte kind of black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be popping that into the crease of the eyes and kind of just like towards the outer corner. And really packing that on, because this is a beautiful colour. Blending it out like as if it's going towards the brows. A little bit more. Simple. So now that's done, and I just kind of like focused it towards this outer part here, and it looks pretty dark considering I use a lot of that lilac colour. It does look very dark. Packing it on again, and then this time really going for it by blending out towards, again, this part of my brow. Super easy. Now I'm just going to put a little bit of that same Whip colour, that dark black kind of colour, and put it underneath the eyes. But you could use any kind of shimmery black with this, because I think as long as you've got like that purpley kind of colour underneath, it does change the colour of the black slightly. It does make it look like more of a dark shimmery purple than a black. It's kind of cool. I'm always very aware that I have wide set eyes, and so I like to, even though I feel like I should bring it out this way, I'm always tempted to bring in some eyeshadow into the inner corners as well, so I just do that underneath the eyes. Next up, my good old trusty Collections Fast Stroke eyeliner, my favourite eyeliner in the world. So I'm just going to line the top part of my eyes now. Bring that in. I'm also tempted to take a little bit of this silver colour here. This is called Cuffs, and you could either like put it in the inner corner of your eyes. I'm just going to dab it like on top, just above here. Just kind of add a bit more definition and kind of give more of a depth kind of effect as well with that darker colour behind it. I'm just patting it on with my finger just so I get precision. I've already curled my lashes, and so I'm just going to give them a couple of coats of mascara. I'm not going to be using false lashes in this look. I don't ever use false eyelashes, to be honest. I feel like I used to love false eyelashes, but I just got out of the habit after doing a lot of trad goth makeup, which doesn't usually require false eyelashes. It just wasn't something that was something I really thought was necessary, and then I kind of grew to love my own eyelashes and not hate them too much. So these are the eyes done. Really enjoyed using purple for a change. I think that shimmery purple is just so pretty. So now I'm going to be taking the lipstick that really inspired this whole look anyway, and this is by Kat Von D again, and this is in the shade Piaf, and this is the colour. I feel like it's looking way less shimmery on camera than it is in real life. Like there's so much glitter in there. There's so much glitter in there. It kind of goes with my nails as well. I usually like using lip liner, so yeah. My lips are pretty dry as well. I'm just gonna use a little tiny brush now just to shape it and define it a little bit more, because I like my lips quite overdrawn. And so this is the finished makeup now that the lips are on and everything. I'm not doing any blusher, any kind of contour, nah. I'm just keeping it really easy. Now I'm going to show you my outfit. Now my outfit is pretty basic. It's quite warm here in the UK now, and so I have put together something really simple. So I've just put together this really basic strappy black kind of swing dress. It's a jersey kind of material and it's very flowy, and it goes really nice with lots of belts and stuff as well. It always looks good with a belt. You kind of need a belt to give it a bit of shape, but it kind of creates this nice ruched skirt like effect in the bottom half anyway. And so this dress is from Boohoo. I got this a couple of years ago, but I think that they do stuff like this all the time. This stuff isn't too difficult to find in places like Primark as well. I've definitely seen stuff like this in Primark. I've seen a lot of dresses like this over the past year or so, and I've gone to buy them and thought, I've already got that Boohoo dress at home, I don't need it again. But if you haven't got anything like this, then this is so easy to wear in the spring or summer when it's getting warm out and you want to wear something that's really easy to accessorize, and I think when it comes to warmer weather you want to go less with actual layers of clothing and maybe layer your accessories more to still create a more alternative kind of look to your outfit. And so I paired it with this belt. This belt my friend gave me. I may be able to find something similar to it, and if I can I'll link it for you below. I adore this belt. It's so comfortable, but it's so beautiful at the same time. And this necklace I got from H&M. H&M are great for jewellery from time to time. I usually find a little something in there that I really find is just going to be a great everyday kind of thing. I've just paired it with some black tights, and if it's a bit chilly out I'll wear like a leather jacket or something. And I'm also going to be pairing it with these boots. These boots are from ASOS and I love these boots. These boots, I'll try and find them and link them below for you again. These boots are really comfortable. And they really stand out in an outfit. I've noticed as well, whenever I put an outfit together, one thing that I really notice when I look back on photos is how much the boots just add a little something to the outfit. That's my little outfit, and this is also my makeup as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't done anything like this in a while, so I thought I would just go back to my roots and do something that I used to do a lot on this channel, which was kind of like goth get ready with me's and showing you how to create basic kind of gothic outfits as well. So thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you haven't seen my previous videos, then I shall put them here so you can check them out. And have a lovely day. Subscribe if you're new, like if you like this video, and I'll see you again soon. Love you guys and take care.